Explain to me what the fuck Bill Gates was talking about when he was saying that you can't do trucks. What was?
Yeah, I didn't know what you were talking about.
Why did he say that then? Like, why would
I don't
someone?
know. Probably somebody told him that, and he
just
not,
repeated it.
He's just not that close to the physics of it, and so
I
don't think he's ill-intentioned here. He just
Right.
doesn't know what he's talking about.
But why say it then? Like, you think about a guy who's so involved in technology, you would think you would only talk about things you understand.
I don't know. It's weird. I also heard that at one point he had a big short position against Tesla, which was kind of, I don't know if that's true or not, but it seems weird. People I know who know the situation well, I said, "Are you sure?" They said, "Yeah, he had a big short position against Tesla, which obviously didn't work out too well."
First off, fuck your bitch in the click you claim. West side when we ride, come equipped.